is hope tonight for thousands of Coloradans with treatment-resistant mental health disorders.
The FDA could approve the first prescription psychedelic therapy as early as this year, and state lawmakers are scrambling to ensure that Coloradans will be able to access it immediately. Your political reporter Sean Boyd joins us live in studio tonight.
So Sean, what would delay access to this?
A state law that governs Schedule I drugs like psychedelics. The legislature passed a law in 2022 that allows psilocybin to be prescribed here as soon as it has FDA and DEA clearance. But that law only applies to psilocybin. Lawmakers would need to bring a bill to reschedule any other psychedelic approved, which takes time. So they introduced a bill fast-tracking all Schedule I drugs approved for pharmaceutical use.
I was 19 when I joined the Army. I just graduated high school.
Luke Schartiger has always been drawn to a life of service, serving his country as a combat veteran, his community as a law enforcement officer, and now fellow veterans as an advocate for an experimental drug that he says changed his life.
I was so stuck in this state of hopelessness.
Suffering from PTSD, depression, and anxiety, Schartiger says he tried everything.
It was actually when my ex-wife filed for divorce is when it was like, this is my rock bottom. I started looking for alternative healing methods.
Coloradans had just decriminalized psychedelics. Schartiger says he was able to process trauma he'd buried for years.
I found a way to find peace.
A peace he wants for others, too, which is why he's asking state lawmakers to pass a bill that would fast-track the availability of psychedelic prescription drugs in Colorado by aligning state and federal drug schedules so any drug cleared by the DEA and FDA would receive automatic clearance in Colorado. There are 8 trials underway.
The trials have been incredibly promising for PTSD, for anxiety, for depression.
Senator Daphne Michelson-Janae, sponsor of the bill, says FDA approval for a drug with the active ingredient in LSD could come as early as next year.
What we're looking at is a one-dose medication where you can get treatment one time for a disease that may have been debilitating your whole life and walk out and live a typical life.
Help can't come soon enough, with 17 veterans a day ending their lives to end the suffering. Schartiger says he made a vow to leave no one behind, and he's keeping it.
If we're gonna send kids off to war to fight and die, then we need to take care of them when they come back.
Under the bill, a psychedelic approved by the FDA would be regulated like any other prescription in Colorado. Some of the drugs in clinical trials now need to be administered in a clinical setting. As you might imagine, pharmaceutical-grade psychedelics are different than the magic mushrooms used in healing centers. This would be synthetically produced in a lab and have a very precise dosage. The bill did pass its first committee unanimously.
Sure is interesting. All right. Thank you, Sean.